assess the deepness of this. That's kind of, it's over a good snow foot, over a good snow drift over a foot, and I hope I don't. Oh boy, that's slippery. Look at that. That's impassable. That's a snow drift. Oh my God. Look how deep that is. That's over my knees. Look at the driveway. You're not getting past that. Look at my sign. Wow, the windows. Huh. It comes like something down the street coming slow. Not even gonna come down. Oh God, I can't even walk in this. Oh, look at, see that sign? The sign's at least 2-3 feet. Let's see how deep this is. I'm gonna trek to the back. Oh. Going over the windows. Probably gonna get to a point where I might not be able to put anything in the dryer. Because of the exhaust fumes. There's my cone underneath. I don't know. If those cars move, this guy might be able to go straight. But that's a big snow drift over there. See it behind? That SUV? That's up high. It's on the level. On concrete, so it looks higher. Van is buried. That car is buried. That car is buried. Back windows. Stairs. Look how high that is. You ain't getting in my basement doors. Wow, and it's not stopping yet? My God. How am I supposed to move this snow? I can't move this snow. You need a team here to move the snow. I don't even know what I would do with the snow. What am I going to do? Oh man. It's terrible. And it's still blowing. Look at that on that roof. Look at how deep that is. This is the part. You can't, what are you going to do with the snow here? What do you do with the snow? You have to go all the way out, you go all the way in. Where do you go? In order to get a plow here, he has to try to push this into that wall. The car's there. What are you going to do? Oh man, I got all snow in my shoes already. In my boots. Oh, that's high. Windows. Look at that. Wow. It comes down, hit you in the head, you're in trouble. That's impassable. Impassable. At least they did that. There's a bunch of people out here doing that before. Oh, it's terrible out here.